best thing about lowriding to me, man, is just getting the project, just getting the car, you know what I'm saying? It don't look like nothing. You know what I'm saying? And just having a vision. Because every time I get a car and I build a car, you know, as soon as I see the car, I have a vision of what I want it to look like, how, you know, everything about it.
Each day through my window, I watch her as she passes by.
Because to me, when it's a finished product, this is better than a Van Gogh to me, you know? This gonna be my pride and joy right here.
Lucky guy. To have a girl like her.
I love fixing the car up. That's all part of the process, fixing it up to ride it, you know? But when the product is finished and you pull it out the driveway and you wash it and just wax it for the first time yourself and clean everything, cut the music on and you just look at it, you be like, damn, you know, look what I done did, you know?
Running away with me. It was just my imagination. Running away with me. Ooh, soon we'll be married.
You know, and once that vision come together and I put it together and it's complete and put it on the street and get that motherfucker and just cut the oldies on and just, that motherfucker just get to dipping down the boulevard, shit, it ain't enough, shit, only feeling better than that is sex. You know what I'm saying? And it's real close to sex. You know what I'm saying? That's real.
This couldn't be a dream or too real.
The Santana, my homeboy Gangsta car, Gangsta, felt in his heart that he needed to build something, you know, to go to the show. Something that Compton Majestic has never done. He was one of the first, and hopefully he's not one of the last that had front page on the Lowrider magazine. He done something to a 64 Chevy that nobody else has done. The Santana 64 is just an awesome car.
For his building a car and making it #1 throughout the United States, he did that. The Santana shows that.
The car is part of my neighborhood and also part of the Majestic Car Club.
Just my imagination running away with me.
18 people are under arrest at a major drug ring has been busted after a sweep through Compton and Linwood. Officers confiscated an arsenal of weapons, 70 pounds of cocaine, 40 pounds of marijuana, $250,000 in a fleet of lowriders. Officers say that the Compton gang had ties to a Mexican drug czar.
And you know some people are made of wood.
Some people have hearts of stone.
This call is from a federal prison.
As far as my arrest goes, it have nothing to do with lowriding. You know, that don't invalidate or validate it either way, one way or another. You know what I'm saying? That's just me and my individual choice.
Ha! What you see is what you get. It's what you get. What you see is what you get. It's what you get. I said what you see is what you get. Now, baby, it's what you get.
We miss him. I mean, I think nobody can run the club better than he has.
Shit, I'm gonna represent to the day I die. I'm always have a lowrider. Even if I can't drive the motherfucker, I'm gonna have one sitting up in the garage.
When you get out, what kind of car are you gonna build?
I got to have me a rag car 59.
I don't know what to say about them. They're just trying to be like us. The clothes like us, but the color ain't. Praise the Lord. Anyway. And they still got the M on there. The M is worth nationwide. Well, everybody want to be part of this. Next thing you know, baby's gonna be putting it on their bottom. Trying to put it on there, say I'm part of the Israel.